In this video, you are going to learn how to create viral UGC videos and advertisements with AI in minutes. If you want to follow along, the link for ugcvideo.ai will be down below in the description and on the pinned comment. This is a UGC ad and video generator that streamlines and simplifies the process of creating realistic AI avatars and influencers, and it makes it so much simple and so fast with high quality. So let's get started. I want to let you know you get 30 free credits upon sign up and 30 credits when you do your first generation. They also offer very cheap plans customized across your needs. So check it out. If you want to follow along, you can do it completely for free. So this is the dashboard after we sign up, and we got different options. The first and main one is creating a character. We got 4 different options: influencer generator, building a character. We can also pick characters that were created by the community, and you see so many different options. So if you have a product, you could use literally each single one of them, place the product on their hands, talking about it. You don't even have to create your own, and this could save you so much money. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use the influencer generator. Let's click it. So first of all, we need to select the aspect ratio, how close the shot is going to be. So in this case, I'm going to a full body shot. For the prompt, we can customize it with basic settings. In this case, we want to go with female, age, middle-aged, and we can also set the persona. So the persona in this case is gonna be beauty blogger. We can select the region. I'm gonna go with Europe. Skin tone is gonna be medium or maybe tanned, and we can also select the facial features. Do we want freckles? Do we want dark circles? Do we want puffy eyes? There are so many different options, and if you click view all, you can see literally so many different options to make the exact generation you want. So in this case, we're going to have a oval face, and we can select GPT image 2 for the model generator. This is what I prefer. So let's click generate, and we can also do multiple generations here. Generations are quite cheap, in all honesty, so I'm gonna do 4 more generations. When you use AI, you literally want to do a lot of generations to find the exact image you want. It usually takes a little bit of tries to create your perfect character, perfect avatar, but I would suggest that at least on the initial generation, because going from image to video is very important, find the exact image you like, create the exact character you want. So do multiple generations, play with the settings, and of course, you can even customize the actual prompt. While we wait for this to happen, let's go over the other features. So you can use an already defined image, talk about the background of the character. Again, you got different models from Google and OpenAI to create your exact generation. Also, on the description here, you can describe your character, could be painting or whatever you want. And finally, building your character, you got different settings like professional, casual, and all of the settings we've seen before. So you got multiple customization options. And I forgot to set the setting to be a woman. So in this case, we're gonna use this guy probably. So this is the image that was generated. Looks so beautiful, so realistic, looks actually super amazing. This is very unexpected. Let's see, I think this guy actually is more attractive. So we're gonna use this guy. And what we're gonna do is we're going to click create with, and we got different options. We can recreate the image, we can create a character video, a token video, a motion sig, and a UGC ad video. So in this case, what I want to do is a UGC ad video. We select from library, we can add our own influencer. So we're going to use Silas Thorn that we generated. We can put an image which is going to be what it's going to promote. So you can search for assets here. You can use a link, so it can grab a link from the web and put the image on its own. So I'm gonna say, let's find the protein powder box. So I'm going to copy the image. I'm gonna get it through link, and we did that. We select the image, click save, and here we can actually tell it the exact prompt. Holding the product, talking about the product being the best protein powder, and they should buy right now. We can also create our own sounds and voiceovers. In this case, I'm going to simplify the process and just add voice. We have multiple different voices from English to Greek to Spanish, whatever language you want. And you can also see a preview of each voice. So in our case, we want English voice, male, we want middle-aged, excited. So let's see. Okay, so I found the Montana voice, which I think is the best in this case, and click generate. We can, as always, have multiple generations happening at the same time. We can test out multiple voices, and here we can see our generation happening. Speed is super fast, and we can also go ahead and change our prompt whenever we want to. At the same time, I'm going to check also the talking video option just so we play around. So in this case, I'm going to use this woman. For voice, I'm going to add English, female, and get Diana. We're going to say, hello girls, welcome to another haul. I got this beautiful bikini. So that's what we're going to be using. And we can also describe the gestures. So friendly, wave, soft, smile. All right, let's click generate. And for these, we're going to do 3 different generations. So we can get multiple outputs and we can see exactly what happens. So when our generation finishes, we're going to be able to see some previews, and I'm going to generate a couple more videos so you get a little bit of a sense of what is happening. And I put some more generations up, and let's go ahead and see the final results. Let's see actually what we were able to generate first for UGC out of videos.
Stop scrolling! If you want serious muscle growth, you need this. This is Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey, the absolute best protein powder out there. Look, it packs 24 grams of premium protein and 5.5 grams of BCAAs per scoop. The chocolate hazelnut flavor, it's genuinely amazing. No chalky aftertaste at all. Seriously, don't wait. Grab yours right now and crush those goals.
Pretty great, right? And then for talking video.
Hello girls, welcome to another haul. I got this beautiful bikini.
Oh yeah, it works. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check UGC video down below in the description to create your own UGC videos. If you want to learn more about AI, I got a very cheap Udemy course with 50 hours of courses and tutorials just for you guys on Udemy hosted. Again, the link for that will be down below in the description. See you in the next video.